Hey, I'm Shari K, and on this channel, we discuss purposeful living and personal finances to help you live a full, wealthy life. Recently, I had announced that I was doing a stock market challenge, and it was between me and my husband. He was going to take money and invest on behalf of my son, and I was going to take some money and invest on behalf of my daughter. Started with $500, and then each month we're going to add $100 to their accounts. So initially in August we started with $500, but then I ended up buying a course, and then we split the cost of that course. So we started with $500, and then I bought the course, but then we just split the cost of that course. So it was $50 a piece. So we each started with $450 to start off with in August, and then for we added $100. So the initial amount starting out was $500. That's for each person. We started with $500 a piece. No, I can't count. Clearly that's $550. Okay. Yeah, we started with $550 a piece. So, okay, so here's my update. So let me erase all of this. You know the starting out numbers. No. Okay, so to date, I have, I put $550 to date. And, okay, do me a favor. If you could look below and make sure that thumbs up button is blue, that really helps me out on this channel. And subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. That helps me out as well. My account is up, actually, 18.58%. Woo! And that equates to $102.32. So this is what I've made so far investing for this college fund challenge. And I want to say too, if you out there are wanting to learn about the stock market and want to join us on this challenge to help you learn, just go ahead and join us. Let me know in the comments below that you're joining the challenge too. To catch up with us, I would say you just need to start out with $550 or whatever increment you want to start out with. It doesn't have to necessarily be what we're doing, but I noticed that this challenge is really helping me to learn about the stock market. I did a video talking about how I had lost about $12,000 in the stock market, and somebody had made a comment saying, well, you don't lose it until you sell. Well, yeah, I sold it. I had completely gotten out of that plan, and then it was like from a job retirement plan, and I just had it on the sidelines waiting just to put it into real estate. But this challenge has really just made me want to learn how to invest in, not only this challenge, let me back it up. Losing this money or realizing that I lost this money and actually selling it just really made me want to learn how to invest in the stock market and I'm learning. So if you want to learn and challenge yourself, go ahead, join us on this challenge. Me going against my husband, I'm calling it a challenge, but it's coming out of the same pot. So it's not a challenge, but this is helping me to learn. And if you want to know how I'm evaluating the stocks that I'm picking, or what stocks I'm investing in, or if I'm doing stocks versus index funds, just let me know in the comments below. Any questions that you have about this challenge. But so far, I am pleased with the results. I am learning tons. And I would say never, not even never, you don't know what you don't know, So before I started this and was looking into the stock market, I didn't know what I didn't know. So I was comparing it to things that I've heard, not actually things that I've done. And now that I'm actually in it and it's things that I am doing, still learning, clearly only got $500 something in it, but still, as I'm learning it and understanding it, I realize that this could definitely be a low-cost way for somebody to get into the world of investing. And on that aspect of loan alone, I would highly encourage learning how to do it. And I usually say it doesn't matter what you invest in, just invest in something, because if your money is not growing for you, you are constantly going to have to trade your time for money indefinitely. So in order to save you time to be able to put your time into other things, you should know how to make your money work for you. Put these little money soldiers to work. I don't care what you invest in, like I said, just make sure that it's something that you understand. Because when you don't understand things, I think that gets you in trouble. And I think too, the people like scaring you away from investing in whichever method you choose, they, I don't want to say they don't understand, but they might not have a full understanding on, that investment vehicle. So don't really take somebody's word for it. Like, learn it for yourself. And, with that, all the best to you.
Hey, it's a good day.